Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 96 of building the Ecto-1. We've got our window, which we're not installing this time. We're putting that aside. We have got lots of other things to do, though. We've got, lots of things to do. So we need the tiny screws, the SM screws. We're going to fit that bracket, the shielding piece to the top of the window. We need 3 screws for that. There's 1, 2, and 3. Keep that aside. Spare. I'm going to grab my smaller screwdriver for that. So yes, this piece goes across the top there, that way round like so. So it goes in there nicely like that. 3 screws to hold that in place. Fairly simple. Even simpler if this screwdriver was just a little bit more magnetic. The screwdriver goes in the right way round. There we go. That's that. Get all of those in so we know what we're doing. As ever, I shall go back and make sure these are all nice and tight before moving on to the next day of the build. But for now, I just want to get them together for you so you can see how it goes and how it looks. So that's that on there, like so. We've got our 2 cover pieces to put in place. That one goes in there. There's a little peg lines up in there. That. And then 1 screw to hold that in place. That one goes on that side with 2 screws to hold that in place. What I'll do, I'll get these together now without worrying you, and then we'll come back and attach the pin, which is the slightly more complicated bit. Right, that's that all tight and secure on there. I'll tighten up the 3 top ones as well. Got 1 more screw to put in, and that's going in here. We've got the bracket that holds it in place. Spring goes over the end of that. That then goes in that way round into our post, and the other end of that will come out through the hole deep in there, like that. There we go, because that's what catches against it. That then lines up on there. There's 1 pin and 1 screw. Hold that together. I should have put the screw on the screwdriver. I'll do that now. Go. That is that. Here is the screw going in place, holding that together, and that should be that. There we go. So that's coming out there, but does go in when pushed. And that's the catch. That's the latch for the door. Good stuff. I'm happy with how that's come together. So, yeah, there we go. Now the issue done. The door window will be going on there, I think, next time. You know how that goes in. It's that way up. And it's that way round or the other way round? That way round. Slightly bigger that side. So that's going to go in there, and obviously then that's going to be mechanised just the same as all the other windows have been. So that's that. Another issue done. Join me soon for the next one. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.